Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the environment is correct. Update Facebook and your device OS because outdated builds hide UI options. Once done, sign into the exact account you want to fix. The option may be account-specific. Next, clear the app cache or browser data and restart, since temporary files often mask settings. You're now ready to access the affected menu. Go directly to the profile or post where the C option should appear, so we can diagnose visible controls and permissions. Now you'll dig into visibility controls to reveal the C option. Go to the specific post or profile settings, tap Privacy or Audience, and inspect who it's shared with. Changing from Friends to Public or Custom can restore visibility options. Also check Timeline Review and Tagging settings because pending tags or review rules hide certain options. If this is a page or group, confirm your role grants full edit rights. If not, request admin access. These steps resolve most middle-stage permission conflicts. Finish by saving all changes and refreshing your session. Log out and back in so Facebook applies new permissions. If the C option still won't appear, reinstall the app or test on a different device or browser to rule out local glitches. Make sure any pending account restrictions are cleared. Check your support inbox for policy notices that block features. If you encounter persistent issues after these steps, contact Facebook support with screenshots and timestamps so they can investigate account-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.